All right, welcome to Cooking with the Kowalskis. What are we making tonight, Harper?
Pheasant Sir Fry.
That's right. Our walleye supplier, shout out to Dusty. He came through and got us some pheasant. So we're gonna make a little pheasant stir fry. We'll show you how we do it.
We'll put in the veggies first.
That's right. We got a little butter down in the pan. We got some mushrooms, broccoli, onion, and we're gonna just get these going in the pan. Get those nice and fried up here.
Veggies are done cooking.
They are done cooking. We're gonna put them in the bowl and move on to the next thing here. Okay, we got the pheasant cut up into little chunks, and we're gonna season with some salt, garlic, salt, pepper, and little 21 seasoning salutes, a whole bunch of different herbs.
We're cooking veggies.
All right, we got it frying on the stove here. Gonna get it nice and crispy and good. Till it's nice and golden brown here. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is make the sauce for the stir fry. So I'm gonna add a little orange juice, some coconut aminos or soy sauce. We got a little garlic sauce, garlic chili sauce, and then honey. I'm gonna mix all that together to make the sauce. So I added the orange juice, the soy sauce, the chili, garlic flakes, and honey. Just kind of got it cooking on here. And then I'm gonna add the cooked pheasant with the veggies and stir fry it all up here. All right, we got it all stir fried up and ready to go over some rice. We'll see how it tastes. All right, we're tasting the pheasant. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. All right, there's our little bowls. It was a success. Say see you later.
See you later.